We have a different path we put America on. There are 5 things we'll do.
He's getting ready to
our economy and create 12
flip
million
over
new
again.
jobs and rising take-home pay. You
Look,
realize
look,
over the last 4 years,
look.
every year you've seen the median
He's getting ready
income
to
in America
flip.
come down. Income is down.
This is
some
what he does. That's the way he likes to
$4,000 a
sleep.
family. And with a median income of about $50,000, that means things are really tough for the American people. The middle class squeeze has been unbearable. Gasoline prices
Any minute
up,
he's gonna
food
flip
prices
now.
up, electricity prices up, health insurance costs up.
First, yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go,
And my plan,
there you
Paul
go.
Ryan's plan to create 5 steps to get this economy going will help middle-income
That's the
Americans
way he
have
like
a
to
brighter
sleep.
future and will lift people out of poverty. And let me tell you what those steps are.
While he's listening to
Number 1,
Mitt
we're
Romney.
going to fully take advantage of our oil, our gas,
I guess he
our
got
coal,
nightmare
our renewables.
when he listened to Mitt Romney speaking. Yeah. Let's see how long he's gonna take him again.
The president has cut in half the number of permits and licenses
That's a
on
warning.
federal land. I'll double that. I'm going to make sure we get the resources in Alaska. We finally get that energy here. And by the way, I'm going to get that pipeline from Canada if I have to build it myself.
He's looking.
Number 1 is energy, and that creates about 3.5 to 4 million new jobs, not just in the energy sector.